will talk about how can you secure your account on your Airbnb app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on login and security here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you come here to let's make your account more secure here. Click here on improve. When you click here on improve, it's going to take you to this list here. So then here add your account secure here in this list. If you want to select add phone number or verify your email address here to secure your account. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.